Right, so Harry back with another repair. This one's quite a quick one. Uh, Basically, sometimes you get little cracks just along the bezel of the MacBook Pro at the bottom. These can actually develop into more serious things, and actually underneath, if you damage it further, it can break the LCD, and then you need to replace the entire screen. But if you just have a crack, it's actually a fairly easy repair. You just have to heat off the old one and then replace it with a new one. So I can do this sort of repair for about £25. So if you're interested in getting this sorted out, it's quite an easy and cheap repair to do, and it prevents any further damage to the LCD, which can result in hundreds of pounds worth of repairs needing to be done in the future. So that's obviously not ideal. So first thing I'm doing is I'm just heating it up, and then I'm going to start prying it up. So I'm going to fast forward this bit because it does take about 10 minutes or so, so it would be a bit slow to watch it. But basically, yeah, heat it up, and then just using like a dull or so knife, not too sharp, you don't want to damage the screen, just prying it up. Alright, see you in a second. Right, so having cleaned off any last bits of glass from that because that would be bad for the screen. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the OEM, which means that it's made by Apple, part that I've bought from ReplaceBase. I'm just taking off the sticker. It already comes with the adhesive, so all you have to do is take the part and then put it onto the screen. It's literally that simple. So this is quite an easy repair to do. So again, if you do need this repair done, it is quite an easy one. So I would encourage you to get it done sooner rather than later, instead of waiting to see the screen go and because that would not be ideal. So here I'm literally just applying it, putting the adhesive on. You want to make sure it fits, right? You don't want to have it wonky. So I'm just laying this down, making sure that it's going to fit. I think I spotted a bit of glass there, so I'm just taking it out. But yeah, it's literally a case of just laying it down. But yeah, so I actually did this on my internship. I was on an internship with Tesco, and I got given a MacBook Pro 15-inch to do development work on, and it was only what must have been a 3-month internship. But by the end of the internship, I had managed to get a bit of dirt between the screen. Wasn't storing it in a case, and I had a massive dent there, and it was there for only like 2 weeks. But then after the end of the internship, at the end of those 2 weeks, the screen had completely died. So there was lines up the screen. You couldn't use it at all, apart from if you plugged it into an external monitor. So that's what I've learned firsthand. It's definitely worth just getting the repair done. But yeah, it was bad advice from the repair guy at Tesco, who said that I should just wait until the end of an internship. It'll be fine. You don't need to get it repaired. But obviously, yeah, no, he was wrong. You do want to get it done as soon as possible. So here I'm just kind of like putting it down, making sure it's all flush, and that's it. That is literally it. That's how easy it is to get your MacBook Pro fixed. So again, if you have any queries about this, get in touch, and I can do this repair for you. Cheers.